Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to screen record on an iPhone with sound. First, ensure that screen recording is enabled in your iPhone's control center. Now swipe down from the top right corner of the screen or swipe up from the bottom depending on your iPhone model to access the control center. Tap the screen recording icon, which looks like a solid circle within another circle. It will start a 3-second countdown before recording. After tapping the screen recording icon, press and hold the screen recording button until you see additional options, including a microphone icon. Tap the microphone icon to enable microphone audio. Ensure it is turned on and highlighted in red. Once you have enabled microphone audio, tap Start Recording to begin screen recording with sound. Navigate to the screen you want to record. Anything you do on your iPhone will be captured in the recording. To stop recording, tap the red status bar at the top of the screen, then tap Stop in the confirmation dialog that appears. Or return to the control center and tap the screen recording icon again. The screen recording video will be saved to your Photos app. You can access it there and share or edit it as needed. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel and leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.